In this video, I'll show you how to join Jawa GG's Discord server. So on Jawa.gg, you can sell your gaming stuff, but they also have a Discord server. So how do we join that? So it's actually very easy. We go to the website of Jawa, that is jawa.gg, and then when we go to the top right side of our screen, we can see Discord. Now when we click on Discord, that will give us an invitation. You've been invited to join the Jawa community. Then we click on join, and now we have joined the Jawa community. So it's actually a very nice community. And now we have a few questions. Are you interested in becoming a buyer or a seller or both? Just select what fits you, then click on next. And then we need to read and agree to the server rules. I advise you to read everything very nicely because it is very important. Then we click on finish. And after we clicked on that, if it works, yes, it works. Now we have officially joined the server, and now we can see all of these nice little channels. So that is how you join the Jawa GG Discord server. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have any more questions. You can leave them in the comments down below.